Peter Drucker published The Effective Executive in 1967. It has not aged. Every framework about productivity, focus, and leadership that has appeared since can be traced, in some form, back to this book. Drucker was not teaching people how to work harder. He was teaching something more difficult and more valuable: how to work on the right things. His central argument is uncomfortable for a culture that celebrates busyness. Effectiveness, Drucker said, is not about effort. It is not about hours. It is about results. And most people, even brilliant, hard-working, well-intentioned people, are spectacularly ineffective. Here are 7 lessons from The Effective Executive that explain why and what to do instead. Lesson 1. Know your time. Drucker opens with a radical claim. Most executives have no idea where their time actually goes. They think they know. They are wrong. Drucker's prescription is simple and uncomfortable. Track your time for 2 weeks. Write down what you actually do in each hour, not what you plan to do. The results are almost always a shock. Most time is absorbed by meetings that accomplish nothing, by tasks that should be delegated, and by problems that don't need your attention at all. You cannot manage your time until you know where it goes. Most people skip this step and go straight to systems. That is why the systems never work. Lesson 2. Focus on contribution, not effort. The wrong question is, how hard am I working? The right question is, what am I contributing? Drucker's insight was that most people focus on effort and activity rather than impact. They measure their value by how busy they feel, how many tasks they completed, how many hours they worked. The effective executive asks, what results is this organization counting on me to deliver? And then works backwards from that question to decide what deserves their time. Effort without contribution is just motion, and motion is not progress. Lesson 3. Make strengths productive. Most performance systems are built around fixing weaknesses. Drucker thought this was a fundamental error. You cannot build performance on weakness. You can only build it on strength. The effective executive's job is not to eliminate what people can't do. It is to put them in positions where what they can do becomes extraordinary. Stop investing disproportionate energy in your weakest areas. Bring your strengths to full power. The areas where you are already strong are where additional investment produces the greatest return. Weakness management produces adequacy. Strength development produces excellence. Lesson 4. First things first, and second things not at all. Effective executives do not prioritize a long list of important things. They pick one thing, the most important thing, and concentrate on it until it is done. Then they pick the next one. The second half of the rule is harder. Second things not at all. Every item added to the priority list pushes something else off the back. True prioritization means elimination, accepting that some good things will not get done so the best things can. Most people's to-do lists are graveyards for good intentions. Drucker's list had one item on it. Lesson 5. Effective decisions are built on disagreement. Most people seek consensus before making a decision. Drucker believed this was exactly wrong. If everyone agrees immediately, it means no one has thought about it seriously. Effective decisions require genuine disagreement. Someone raising the uncomfortable alternative, the inconvenient fact, the contrary position. The effective executive doesn't ask who is right. They ask, what is the problem we are actually solving? And they deliberately create conditions where disagreement can surface before the decision is made, rather than after it has been implemented. Lesson 6. Meetings are either purposeful or they are waste. Drucker was clear on meetings. They should be the exception, not the rhythm. If an executive spends more than 25% of their time in meetings, the organization has a structural problem. Every meeting should have one of 3 purposes: to convey information, to discuss and clarify, or to make a decision. If a meeting has no clear purpose, it should not happen. The most expensive resource in any organization is not money. It is the focused attention of capable people. Meetings are the single greatest destroyer of that resource. Lesson 7. Effectiveness is a habit, and habits can be learned. Drucker did not believe effectiveness was a talent. He did not believe some people were born with it and others were not. Effectiveness is a set of practices. It can be observed, described, and learned by anyone willing to develop the discipline to apply them. He had seen brilliant people who were entirely ineffective, and he had seen people of ordinary intelligence who were consistently, powerfully effective because they had learned the habits. Track your time, focus on contribution, build on strength, concentrate, embrace disagreement, protect focus from meetings. None of this is natural. All of it is learnable. Peter Drucker spent his career watching capable people fail to produce results, not from lack of intelligence, not from lack of effort, but from lack of the right focus. The Effective Executive is not a book about working harder. It is a book about choosing better. Most people never make that choice deliberately. They let the urgent crowd out the important, let activity substitute for results, let motion masquerade as progress. The Effective Executive has made a different decision, and that decision, made consistently, is the difference between a career that produces motion and a career that produces legacy.